Mistake number one, bringing his knife to a guy who doesn't know what he's doing, and he totally messed up this profile and it's not even sharp. Mistake number two, bringing him another knife, did the same exact thing. Mistake number three, this is his fault. He used it to pry something open. My plan is to grind it down from the spine, something like that, and then maybe shape it more like this so it actually looks like a knife, because this is just hideous. And with this, geez, probably grind it down from the spine too a little bit and maybe do something like this. It's better, not perfect, not totally happy with it, but it's the best I could do given what we started with.